I'm Jenna Sackett, one of the educators for Stahls TV. And while you're here watching this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe.
A basic face cover is pretty boring. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take this face cover and customize it for the Halloween season. All you need is a few key things. Number one is a heat press. Secondly, a heat printing pillow, blank face covers of choice, a vinyl cutter, and the key to this is our CAD-CUT Glow heat transfer vinyl. I'm going to show you how. First things first, we load the glow material in our vinyl cutter. This is the 20-inch wide CAD-CUT Glow available from Stahls.com. We've sent our vector design to cut out our graphics in a mirror image. We're cutting on a Graphtec vinyl cutter. You can use any vinyl cutter and know that this is a thin material, so you don't need much blade depth or downforce. We're cutting at 140 grams. After the design has been cut, we'll advance the material and we'll trim it off of the machine. Next, we need to weed away the excess from the material. You may ask why I'm at the heat press to do this. That's because I'm going to show you a trick to make weeding faster. Weed on a heated surface with CAD-CUT Glow and other hot peel heat transfer vinyls. I preheated the base of the platen, then I can take my weeding tool, I can grab the corner of my material, and it makes it a lot easier to peel the excess away without breaking, revealing my design. Still use your weeding tool to go back in and clean up any pieces that may be on the interior cavities. It's pretty easy to see the cut line on this glow material. We'll trim apart our designs and then we'll start to press the face covers. For the next step, I'll set my temperature and my time. In this case, I'm applying at 305 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 seconds. This adjustment is happening on the A to Z heat press, which is the most accurate budget heat press on the market. Now, I'm using a heat printing pillow so that the edges of the seams on the face covers sink down in and give me an even pressure on this large printing area. It's okay to use heat printing pillows with CAD-CUT Glow material and other heat transfer vinyls. So we're going to position this down. I'm going to bring my heater into place and lock it down to preheat. You always want to preheat your blank garment to prepare it to receive the heat transfer design that you're about to press. Next, we'll just position our CAD-CUT Glow material. With these face covers, it's very typical to be able to press multiples at a time if you have the orders. Position down. You can use a cover sheet if you'd like. However, the CAD-CUT Glow carrier acts as a cover sheet, so one is not needed. Move the heat press back into place and lock it down for the 10 to 15 seconds. The pillow compresses, the seams sink in, and I get a nice, even, accurate application. Once it's complete, you just open the machine, swing it away, and hot peel the backing. It's that easy to create custom face covers with CAD-CUT Glow. So it's time to add some extra value to the blank face mask by customizing it for holiday seasons like Halloween and beyond. To help you supercharge your sales, we're offering a promo code on Stahls.com. Just use promo code GLOW to get 15% off of your order through October 31st.